Hello. Today I'm going to do mayonnaise. I need it for my potato salad. So I will show you now how I do the most delicious mayonnaise from these simple ingredients. And if you want to see how I do the potato salad, I will cover it all in my next video. So just check my other videos, or I will blend it in, if I don't forget, in the description below, the link. Okay, super simple. And I really don't see any reason to buy mayonnaise in the shops. And these are all the ingredients we usually have at home. We always have at home. If we need a mayonnaise, this usually goes much quicker than today because I will explain all of it. But usually I am just chucking everything in. I'm not measuring anything because this actually doesn't need measuring. But today, for those who are unsure how much, I will try my best to give you the measurements. Okay, 1 egg goes in, some salt, and I do about half a teaspoon for 1 egg. You can do more or less. So once you have done the mayonnaise, you can taste it and you see if you like it or not, and then you can adjust. Ground white pepper. If you don't have white pepper, you can use black one, but white one, it's because of the color of the mayo color. So here also about half a teaspoon. Then some sugar. I use organic raw sugar, and here also pretty much the same. Half a teaspoon. Look how easy it is. 1 egg, and then half teaspoon, half a teaspoon, half a teaspoon. Okay, now mustard. Pretty much any kind of mustard, but I personally think the mild taste is best for mayonnaise, and I usually take about a good teaspoon, so you can see. Then we need lime or lemon juice. Really doesn't matter what you take, it's fresh juice is always best. This is actually lime from our lime tree. And depends of the size, I either take the entire lime or just half of it. Okay. Bang. And oil. You can take any oil. For 1 egg, usually about 200 to 250 milliliters. And with mayonnaise is the more oil you add, the more oil you put in, the more solid will be the mayonnaise. So sometimes I put, let's say we are happy with it. How much? Okay, let's do 200 mils. This also depends on the size of your egg and how much mustard you took. So you will find your way. So let's just mix it, and when I think that my mayo is too runny, I just add more oil and mix again. Okay, the cable is not long enough, so we have to move into here. And you see all ingredients in, and then we just mix it. And I think this would be perfectly fine, but because I need it for my potato salad, so for chips, I will leave it like that. It's perfectly fine for me, the consistency. But because I need it for the potato salad, and I always mix mayonnaise with 2, 3, 3 other ingredients, so the potato salad won't be too heavy, I can easily add the rest. And mix again. That's perfectly fine for me. Usually for chips would be too solid, but because I will mix it, use it for my potato salad, this is what I actually want. By the way, if you don't have this kind of jar with a lid, you can use any kind of jar. Just rinse it with a boiling water. And also, if you do your mayonnaise, choose a jar which is just a little bit wider than actually the base of the mixer, of the stick, to ensure your mayonnaise will mix properly. So if you have this kind of a stick, you want to use a jar which is maybe just a couple of centimeters wider than the base here. Otherwise, it may happen that your mayo won't mix properly and won't be good. Another advantage of making a mayo in a jar, after you have done it, you put the lid on and put it into the fridge. That's it. You don't have to refill and so on. So, my mayo is ready. Now I will get into making potato salad. And if you are interested how I do it, don't forget to check my other videos. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and leave a comment below. Let me know where are you watching from. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified. I wish you all the best with all your kitchen projects and hopefully see you next time. Bye bye. So this one goes to the fridge now. And we'll wait for the potato salad to be finished.